Hello everyone, my name is Dhani Jhankar. Today I'll be reenacting a real life interview of Miss Neha Pateria while she was pursuing her engineering. After that, she joined Accenture. She recently quit to pursue her MBA from JBIMS in Mumbai. An important announcement, we are fully aware that it might be inconvenient for some students to see a brand being promoted in a video, but it is because of these sponsors that RU Buzzing is able to bring to you these real life interviews. RU Buzzing is grateful to have today's story presented by Gateflix. Gateflix is an online learning medium. Gateflix is having a Maha sale on the 29th and 30th of November, whereby for 2 days, students will have full access to the complete GATE syllabus for a nominal price of just 248 rupees. It's been designed and developed by top GATE faculty. Students will have to register on the Gateflix website to participate in the sale. You can also click on the link in the description.
Hi Neha.
Hello.
Can you just briefly introduce yourself and let me know which are the latest projects you worked on?
I'm from the IT branch. I'm a hostelite. I am a volunteer with Make a Difference. Make a Difference is a nationally recognized NGO that focuses largely on educating children in shelter homes. I am also the joint cultural head of my branch. And I'm quite interested in creative stuff, so I'm also a member of the backdrop committee of my college. And I'm also one of the writers of my college magazines. Now, coming to the project part, there are two projects that I'd like to focus on. The first one I'm doing is predictive analysis, and that I'm doing using Microsoft Azure. I learned that in my 6th semester. The one I'm currently working on is intelligent e-marketing, which I'm doing using data warehouse and data mining. Right now it's just in a research phase, so we're just coming up with a blueprint of what to do.
Good. I heard you mentioning Microsoft Azure in your projects. So what is it?
It's a cloud platform that's offered by
Can you name a few more cloud services that you're aware of?
there's AWS by Amazon, there's Google Cloud Platform, and even IBM has a cloud. I'm not sure of the name.
Okay. So are these public cloud services or private ones?
Public.
Public. Okay. So I mean, I heard that you'll have been waiting out over here from 7:30 and it's almost 8:30 now. So how are you feeling? Tired?
Little bit.
Tired? Really? I mean, okay.
Not tired, sir. Just waiting got a little.
Do you think that we should be the ones who would be tired?
Obviously, sir. I mean, you people are the ones taking the interview since the morning, so.
How important is this job to you?
It's very important, sir. Beginning my career with a big company like Wipro will give it the boost it requires.
Okay. So what are the programming languages that you know?
There's C and Java.
Python?
No.
C Sharp?
I haven't worked with either of these.
Okay. What about Pascal?
No.
No. Okay, Neha. Thank you for your time. Better luck next time.
Thank you, sir.
Besides online courses in GATE, Gateflix also offers courses in CAT and IBM. They also provide short-term upskilling courses for students and working professionals. Using Gateflix, the student or the working professional can actually study from anywhere using his laptop or personal device, which is having a good internet connection. So do not miss the Maha sale on 29th and 30th November to catch the complete course of GATE for just 248 rupees. GATE Prime membership is also available at the same price of only 248 rupees.
Hi Neha.
Hello.
It is not your first interview, right?
No, sir.
Let's be honest. Which other companies have already interviewed you?
So, Infosys.
Are the results declared?
No, not yet.
So let's assume if you are selected there and we also select. Why would we choose a person who has only 50% probability of joining our company?
Maybe, sir, because there's the other 50%. And also, it's not out as yet, so it's 100%.
Fine then. Which is your preferred location?
So, Pune.
If I say Bangalore and Chennai for this batch, would you be still interested?
Even if preferences are not being taken, I'd be interested in this job. Because I think stepping out of my comfort zone will give me lessons and experiences that will just help me in my future. So,
Great. Now let's get into the technical aspects. Tell me your current project name.
Intelligent e-marketing using data mining.
So how you are dealing with the huge data which you will use.
We're going to be using data warehouses for this purpose.
What is the basic difference between data warehouse and database?
Data warehouse is mainly used to store huge and historical data, and it typically uses OLAP, that's online analytical processing, whereas a database uses OLTP, that's online transactional processing. Also, a data warehouse stores data that is raw. Raw data is stored in data warehouses, whereas in a database we store the data using rows and columns.
Which data mining algorithm you are planning to implement?
Choice modeling or association rules, or a combination of both.
Can you explain any of them?
Association rule uses if-then algorithms to calculate the probability of relationship between data items. For example, bread and butter. So, if a shopkeeper goes through his record and realizes that nearly 30% of his customers buy bread with butter, then he can use this analysis and place the butter next to the bread as an effective marketing strategy. We can often see this being used in shopping malls and marts and everything. And in the online scenario, this information is captured when the customer logs into the website. So once a huge data is collected, then the analysis algorithm can be used to predict the nature of the customer.
Okay. Any questions or doubts from your end?
None as such.
That's it then. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Pateria and presently I am working at Accenture. I hope my interview would prove helpful for you for your future interviews and you learn something from this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thank you Arubuzzing team for this opportunity. To all the people who are watching this video, best of luck and I hope that you crack all the interviews you are wishing for.